Yes, this is a crucial yet underappreciated facet of autophagy. It's not just about cleaning house, but also about fueling your body when external energy sources are scarce. In low-carb or fasting states, when glycogen stores in the liver and muscles dwindle, the body must find alternative ways to sustain blood glucose and cellular energy. Autophagy steps in as a metabolic lifeline, recycling intracellular components to keep you going without needing fresh carbohydrate intake. Specifically, when glycogen runs low, the drop in glucose and insulin levels activates AMPK, the energy sensor that flips on autophagy. Through a process called proteophagy, cells begin to break down non-essential or damaged proteins into amino acids, which the liver can convert via gluconeogenesis into new glucose. This glucose supports critical tissues, most importantly the brain and red blood cells, that rely on at least some glucose even during low-carb periods. At the same time, lipophagy, the autophagic breakdown of intracellular fat droplets, provides free fatty acids, which are transported to the liver to produce ketone bodies like beta-hydroxybutyrate. These ketones become the primary fuel for the brain and many other tissues once glycogen is exhausted, dramatically reducing the body's dependence on external carbohydrates. Meanwhile, mitophagy, the selective recycling of dysfunctional mitochondria, is ramped up during low-carb states. This not only clears damaged mitochondria but also provides metabolic substrates, small carbon fragments, that feed into the Krebs cycle or gluconeogenesis, helping sustain ADP production when dietary carbs are unavailable. This mitochondrial renewal preserves efficient energy production, reduces oxidative stress, and supports long-term metabolic health. All of these autophagy-driven recycling processes keep your metabolism running smoothly without constant dietary carb intake. It's an elegant survival mechanism that likely allowed our ancestors to thrive in environments where food availability was unpredictable. During times of scarcity, autophagy let them recycle internal stores to maintain stable energy, cognition, and movement, without immediate dependence on fresh calories. A creative way to visualize it: think of autophagy during low-carb states like a ship at sea running low on supplies. Instead of shutting down, the crew repurposes non-essential materials on board, old furniture, spare parts, to fuel the engines until they reach the next port. This recycling buys time and keeps the ship moving, just as autophagy buys your body time until carbs are available again. Clinically, this process explains why people transitioning to low-carb or ketogenic diets often experience initial fatigue. Their autophagic and fat adaptation pathways need a few days to ramp up. But once engaged, these pathways provide a sustainable source of glucose and ketones, stabilizing energy levels and often enhancing metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between burning carbs and fats smoothly. Ultimately, autophagy's role in glycogen-depleted states reveals how deeply it's intertwined with our energy systems. It's not just a cleanup crew, but a master recycler that transforms your own cellular resources into vital fuel, ensuring survival and resilience even in the absence of immediate carbohydrate intake.